On this 322nd day of 15 days to slow the spread, we have a new proclamation from on high. Science has declared through science's chosen priest, the exalted Dr. Fauci, that although some people are currently wearing 2 masks at the same time, which looks very, very funny, and I would therefore encourage people to continue doing it, Dr. Fauci now says it's not going to do anything.
There are many people who feel, if you really want to have an extra little bit of protection, maybe I should put 2 masks on. There's nothing wrong with that, but there's no data that indicates that that is going to make a difference. And that's the reason why the CDC has not changed the recommendation.
So absolutely no evidence whatsoever that wearing 2 masks does anything at all. If you want to put the 2 masks on your face, you can put a donut on your head too. That's fine, but it's no evidence at all that would in any way help stop the spread of the virus. This just days after Dr. Fauci says it is common sense that 2 masks would help to stop the spread of the virus.
A lot of folks are hearing now about double masking, wearing 2 masks or trying to get one of those N95 medical grade masks. Do you believe that that's advisable and makes a difference?
It likely does because, this is a physical covering to prevent droplets and virus to get in. So if you have a physical covering with 1 layer, you put another layer on, it just makes common sense that it likely would be more effective. And that's the reason why you see people either double masking or doing a version of an N95.
That was the common sense a few days ago. That is no longer the common sense. So proclaims Dr. Fauci, who you may recall about 7 or 8 months ago declared from on high, channeling the spirit of science through his exalted genius brain, that you absolutely should not wear any masks whatsoever.
Right now in the United States, people should not be walking around with masks.
You're sure of it? Because people are listening really closely to this.
Right now, people should not be walking. There's no reason to be walking around with a mask. When you're in the middle of an outbreak, wearing a mask might make people feel a little bit better, and it might even block a droplet, but it's not providing the perfect protection that people think that it is.
Thus declares science. With geniuses like this making our public policy, is it any surprise that our country is coming apart at the seams? I'm Michael Knowles. This is The Michael Knowles Show.